Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Invideo AI for stunning text to video design. So first and foremost, you just have to go to any web browser and then search for Invideo, create an account right here or sign up, and then you can now sign up using your Google email or your password. Once you have created an account, go to the left side and then look for text to video, or you can just basically go here and all you have to do is create a prompt so that InVideo can generate a video for you. You can ask ChatGPT for a help right here to create a prompt, copy, go back to InVideo, paste it right here, and then you can adjust some settings here or tap on generate a video. So it will take a few minutes for InVideo to generate a video for you. Now you can set whatever you want here. You can select from any of the option. And then once you're okay with that, then you can now proceed or continue. And you just have to wait for a couple of minutes. So I'm gonna tap on the continue right here, or I'm going to proceed. And if you want to unlock more features, you need to upgrade your plan. So now it's processing and here is the result. You can edit the video if you want. Just tap on the edit right here, change the voice, or if you want to change some settings right here. But basically, this is how to use InVideo AI for stunning text to video design. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.